Welcome guys to the new episode of Codzify YouTube channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss about FlutterFlow VS Code extension. And also I will tell you about GitHub Copilot, which you can use in your Visual Studio Code directly. So let me show you the demo, what exactly we are going to create today. So here, this is a FlutterFlow project which we have discussed grocery delivery app in our previous videos at Codzify YouTube channel. So in this, what we are going to do is I have used the FlutterFlow VS Code extension. Okay. So here, as you can see, I will tell you how you can do this, but first let me show you the demo what we are going to create. So as you can see, start code editing session here. Okay. So if I say yes here, okay. So here, as you can see, we have multiple options: push to FlutterFlow, pull latest. Okay. So for example, in FlutterFlow project here, if I add something in my custom code, for example, I have added the custom code here in calculate price. Okay. So for example, if I add one here, multiply by one here, okay, in code and save this function. Okay. Now if I want this complete code, okay, this complete code here which I have changed here in Visual Studio Code, I can get that here. So if I click on pull latest, so this will fetch all the latest changes. So you can see here price into quantity, this will be changed into the code of FlutterFlow which we have updated there. Okay, so let's see whether the code is getting updated or not. So you can see the code is updated. Now whatever changes I will do here is, for example, if I add one more one here and push to FlutterFlow here, so this change will be pushed into FlutterFlow. Now if I refresh the code, you can see here it's 1 Now if I refresh the code, refresh the browser here, you can see the code is getting updated. So this is very useful for hardcore coders. For example, if you want to use Visual Studio Code to write the custom code functions, so you can prefer this way as well. Okay. So as you can see, the code is now updated here. Okay. And also there is one more advantage here. You can use the GitHub Copilot. So here at the top here, you can see the GitHub Copilot. From here, you can open the chat and ask any question, or if you want to write some code here using AI, you can do that stuff as well. For example, I will tell the Copilot that return the total price with products price and quantity variable in. So if I hit enter, this AI will generate the code for me. Okay. So as you can see here, the entire code for this function is getting updated here. So it is telling don't add one here, which we have added. So you can remove this. You can test out multiple things in your way. Okay. Insert add cursor. Okay. So this is insert add cursor. Let's discard this and insert add cursor where the cursor is added. So the complete code will be added, or you can directly copy from here as well, like this. Okay, so this is a great way how you can connect the FlutterFlow with VS Code extension. So how to get this code completely and how to do the stuff, I will tell you step by step in this tutorial. Okay, so if you are new to this Codzify YouTube channel, make sure to like, subscribe and share. And if you are really liking the videos we are posting here and also the courses, so if you haven't checked about this grocery delivery app which we are discussing here, so I have created a complete in-depth course on this. So here you will get the complete course along with the template app. Okay, in this course we have discussed about how you can execute the complete add to cart module, admin dashboard, push notifications, email password authentication, Razorpay payment gateway, and also this is easily customizable. You can create any kind of e-commerce app with this grocery delivery template app. You can also explore various other courses like dating template app along with the complete 10 hours course and also the online courses app. Okay, and currently we are working on a new app which is a voice based chat app, so you can explore more kind of apps here. So this is the live example which I have uploaded with the name Codzify mobile app. So this is the course which I have explained here in this, how you can create this kind of app, and also you can get the complete template app. So if you want to fast pace your learning journey, you can directly clone the app, and with few episodes you can set it up and upload it on Play Store and start earning money from it. Okay, so if you are really interested in getting these apps, these are available at very minimal price, go to codzify.com, and here you can learn more about this thing, what you can get and how you can clone the apps here. Okay, so this is a complete curriculum here, you can explore here. Okay, so here I have also explained the steps how you can do this: clone the template, customize the logo, set up the Firebase data, add products, set up payment gateway ID, and update email address of admin, and directly launch and deploy. That's easy. This is okay. Make sure to check codzify.com. Let's get back to the purpose of this video, which was connecting the FlutterFlow Visual Studio extension. Okay, so go to the app.flutterflow.io/account. Okay, here you will get the name of your profile. From here, scroll down. If you have upgraded to premium plan, you will get this API token. Copy this API token. Okay, copy this, and make sure you have downloaded the VS Code. So let me show you that as well for the beginners, how you can download this. Search for it on Google, and from here you can download the Visual Studio Code based on your system for Windows, for Mac. Okay, once you download this, open Visual Studio Code. Let me close everything. Let's close everything. Okay, now here you can see the extensions here in the left side. So here click on the extension, search for FlutterFlow, and from here you can install this. So I have already installed this, so this is showing an uninstall. In your case, this will show you the install button. So install this, and also search for GitHub Copilot. Okay, from the top here you can see the GitHub Copilot. Here also you can install. So this will open up the chat box directly, so you don't have to go to ChatGPT and type everything for coding. You will get all the answers right in your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so when you install this for the first time, you need to create the GitHub account. So make sure, if you are a beginner in coding, search for GitHub here. Okay, search for GitHub, and from here you can create the GitHub account. Okay, it's simple, email and password. Once you enter the email and password, this will create your GitHub account. That's it, that's all you have to do, and this will automatically log in you to the GitHub Copilot. Okay, now once that is done, click Control SP in Windows and Command SP in Mac. Okay, Control S and P key in your keyboard in Windows, and type here FlutterFlow download code. Okay, so I have placed these two arrows, and here I will write download code. So this will give me the opportunity to download the code. Okay, and here you will see the project ID. So here, which project you want to open in FlutterFlow, that's your part. So here I will search for speech to text. Okay, you will get the project ID here. Okay, this is one way, or if you hover on this speech to text, you can speech to text get the project ID from here as well. Okay, now I will type Control SP and I will type download code. So here you will see the option FlutterFlow download code, and I will enter the ID. Okay, so this will connect. Enter one more time. So where you want to save this, I will save this in my desktop location. Okay, so here the complete project is getting downloaded automatically. Okay, so to get this code download, you have to make sure you have upgraded plan in FlutterFlow. Now the complete code is with you, and one more thing you need to do is Control SP. Okay, here you will type this and start code editing session. Okay, so let's start code editing session. So this will make sure you can see at the bottom corner here. Okay, inside FlutterFlow, inside lib folder FlutterFlow, you will see the custom functions. Okay, custom functions dot that. So if you have written any kind of function here, that will be available inside this. Okay, currently we haven't added any function inside this, so that's why it is not coming. So if I show you how you can do this, so for our grocery delivery app, I have already downloaded the code here through VS Code extension, like previously I have explained. So here you can see we have many custom functions added inside this. Okay, inside lib folder FlutterFlow and custom functions dot that. exactly the same procedure I have done here. For example, Control SP. Here I have downloaded the code, and at the top I have added the project ID, and the project ID was this one. Let me show you that as well so that you will get more clarity. I have cloned this project because I have to share with you how you can update the code. So here I have the project ID, and or from here also I can get this. Okay, so Control SP here, download code, and it has asked me to add the project ID like this. So I have added this and pressed the enter and got this complete code. Okay, now next thing which is we need to do is we need to see, well, if I change something here, that need to be updated in our FlutterFlow code. Okay, so for that, type Control SP one more time, and here you can see the start code editing session. If you don't see, you can type it here as well. Okay, start code editing session. So this will, okay, so here at the bottom you can see push to FlutterFlow pull latest. So pull means if I change anything inside my FlutterFlow code, custom code here, if I want to get this in my VS Code project, so that can be done using pull latest. Or if I change anything from here, for example, I will change this to 2. Okay, and I will save this and push to FlutterFlow. So this will push this change into my FlutterFlow project. So here you can see push to FlutterFlow completed. Okay, now if I refresh this, if I refresh the browser, you will be able to see the changes inside the custom function code. Okay, so let's see whether the 2 is appearing here or not. So as you can see, the 2 is getting appeared. Or if I change it again back to 1 and save this, okay, and I want to get these FlutterFlow changes in my VS Code, so from here I can get this. So here it is asking, are you sure you want to pull the latest version? I will say yes, and that will reflect the changes here. Okay, so this is a nice way how you can connect VS Code extension and FlutterFlow. And from here at the top you can see the GitHub Copilot. From here you can open the chat and you can see the changes done here. Okay, now if I give you the, let these programs run here. Okay, so here you can see ask Copilot. I will say return the total price with price and quantity variable. Okay, so if I enter this, this will give me the complete AI solution and also the functions which I want. So from here you can copy this, or here you can see if I hover this, insert a cursor, so wherever I place this cursor, the complete code will be placed, or you can directly copy it here cursor. Okay, so this is how you can connect FlutterFlow and VS Code extension very easily and push changes to FlutterFlow and or pull the changes from FlutterFlow. Okay, so I hope this will be very useful for VS Code users. This is very user friendly and help you to get the things done very smoothly. Okay, so make sure you connect this properly and handle the things in VS Code. Okay, regarding your code stuff. Okay, so if I show you what we have built here, so this is a complete grocery delivery app. Okay, so these are the screens that I can show you right now. Okay, this is your order screen, nutrition details, and all that stuff is explained in this course very briefly. So if you are really interested in exploring this, you can go to codzify.com. Okay, okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.